You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, this name. This is the name of a neighborhood in Paris, and this is also the name of a city in Ontario, Canada, also names of cities in the US. So the French pronunciation, it comes from French, meaning beautiful city. Belleville. Belleville. Belleville is how we say it in France. Now, in English, it's often pronounced as Belleville. Belleville. How do you pronounce it? For which city or which town do you pronounce it that way too? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.